Hey, today I want to talk to you about our new 12 volt pure sine wave inverter. It's Yanking Queen Reliable Electronics. This is 12 volt, 1500 watt. I have my 12 volt microwave hooked up right here. I also have an extension cord hooked up going in the house that is hooked up to our 1000 watt microwave. So I'm going to test them both. I have a feeling they're both going to work. Now I have to apologize, once I get in the house it's going to be kind of dark. The reason we have a pure sine wave inverter, we just got this in the mail, is for one thing and one thing only: my girlfriend's computer. My modified sine wave inverters work with everything else pretty much except for her computer. It will work with her computer, but the fan will kick off, the graphics card doesn't like it. So we bought a pure sine wave inverter just for that. It's kind of hard for me to get everything in here because the screen's really hard to see through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's some steam coming off there. I only had it in for a minute. It's definitely warm, at least, well, it's hot. Wow, our cup is really dusty. I didn't notice that. Alright, now let's go in and check out the 1000 watt microwave. I gotta hurry up, it's gonna rain. So I have to get this done. Okay, there you saw. This just came in the mail. I mean, literally just got delivered by UPS. Of course, you can hear the fan running because, well, that was a 1000 watt microwave I was running off of this. And once again, this is a reliable electric pure sine wave inverter, 12 volt, 1500 watt. And like I said, we specifically got this inverter to run her computer, and if one of my modified sine wave inverters goes out, we can still run the microwaves. And there's the fan goes off. There's the gauge. Everything seems to be working great. Here's how I have it hooked up. Negative on the negative post on this battery. Positive on the positive post on this battery. And of course I have my batteries junction together with negative negative, positive positive. And these here, I got those hooked up strictly for my 1100 watt modified sine wave inverter. And it's getting really nasty out here. I need to hurry up and unhook all this. And there you go. This will run a 700 watt microwave, and it did run our 1000 watt microwave. And this is only a 1500 watt inverter. Alright, that's it. Bye.